This is standard 3 science. Let's move to second part of chapter 3, birds. This is nest of some interesting birds. As you know, every birds make their nests to live, lay eggs and raise their babies. Nests save them from their enemies and bad weather. They can make their nests on trees, rooftops, poles, broken walls, old buildings, or even on tops of fans. They use different types of materials to make their nests, like straw, twigs, cotton, wool, leaves, hair, feathers and grass. Then different birds make different kind of nest. Tailor bird. A tailor bird makes its nest with 2 or 3 large leaves. It uses its needle-like beak to sew the leaves together using materials like wool, hay, straw or thread. It makes its nest warm by lining it with wool, cotton, grass, etc. Then come to weaver bird. Weaver birds weave their nests with leaves, grass and twigs. The nest hangs down from a branch of a tree. There is a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest through which the bird enters the nest. This is the structure or figure of weaver bird's nest. Then come to woodpecker. Woodpecker's cavity, you can say. A woodpecker lives on trees. It uses its strong pointed beak to make a hole in the trunk of a tree. It uses this hole as its nest and lines it with fine strips of wood. Penguin's nest. Penguins live at extremely cold places where it is difficult to find grass, twigs and straw. Hence, they make their nests out of pebbles and small stones. They make their nests on the ground because they mainly live in cold places where these materials are unavailable. It is difficult to find by them, so they make their nest on the ground. Move to next page. Caring for the young ones. Once the nest is ready, birds lay their eggs in the nest. They sit on the eggs to keep them warm till the young ones come out. This is called hatching. The parent birds look after the young ones. They feed them, keep them warm and protect them from enemies. Then come to some interesting facts about birds. Few I am reading, rest you can read it and learn it. Ostrich is the world's largest flightless bird. Cuckoo doesn't build its nest, it lays eggs in a crow's nest. Birds make sounds to communicate with each other. Each bird has a unique sound. Penguins cannot fly, but they are great swimmers. It is the only bird that walks straight. Like many more interesting facts are there, you can read it and learn it. Move to next page. Birds, birth and care for animals. We should take care of animals and be kind to them. Like animals, birds also need to be looked after. During very hot summer, birds do not find enough food and water for themselves. We can help them by giving them grains and water. We should place bird bath in a garden, balcony or any open places around us. Birds drink water, bath and cool themselves in these bird baths. We should also place bird feeders to feed hungry birds. Bird feeders are trays containing seeds or grains in it. We should not destroy or throw stones at a bird's nest. They need our love and care. Move to exercise. Tick the correct option. A bird's body is well suited for flying. Number 2, what helps a bird to change direction while flying? Tail. Number 3, which feathers give color and shape to the bird's body? Body feathers. Number 4, Which of these birds use its nest with its beak? Tailor bird. Number 5. Which of these birds has carved beak? Parrot. Fill in the blanks. Dash help the bird to keep their bodies warm. Down feathers. Number 2. Birds have strong arm and dash attached to their wings. Flat feathers. Number 3. Birds eat their food with their dash beak. Number 4. Birds lay their eggs in dash nest. Number 5. Sunbirds have a long and dash beak to suck nectar from flowers. Pointed. Number 6. Water birds have dash which produce oil that prevents their feathers from getting wet. Oil glands. True or false? Birds have different types of beaks. True. Number 2. Sparrows fly at great heights. False. Number 3. Birds have hollow bones filled with air. True. Number 4. Flight feathers are small and stiff. False. Number 5. Penguins make their nests on the ground. True. Number 6. We should take care of the animals. True. Name the following. The world's largest flightless bird, ostrich. Number 2. A bird that lays its eggs in a crow's nest, cuckoo. Next, move to next page. Number 3. A bird that makes holes in the trunk of the tree, woodpecker. A bird with webbed feet, duck. Number 5. A bird that has talons, falcon. Number 6. A scratching bird, hen. Match the following. Number 1. Short, hard and horny beak, pigeon. Pointed and chisel shaped beak, woodpecker. Broad and flat beak, duck. Sharp and hooked beak, eagle. Long and pointed beak, hummingbird. Give 2 examples of each. Move to first one is perching birds. Page number 35. Perching birds. Many birds names are here. You can select any 2 like sparrows, crows, minus. So you select any one. Any 2. Then come to number 2, swimming birds. Swimming birds here. So many birds names are here like ducks, swans. So you write. Then wading birds. Wading birds, same page only. Wading birds are here like herons, cranes. So you write it. Then sharp and hooked beak. That's in page number 33. Sharp and hooked beak. Many birds names are here. Vultures, kites, eagles. You write any 2. Then last one, long and pointed beak. That's in page number 34. Here the birds, hummingbirds, sunbirds. So you write it. Then come to answer the following question. How does the body structure of a bird help it to fly? That answer is in page number 36. Here the answer, how does a bird fly? That's from a bird to flight. This answer is for question number 1. Then number 2, how do birds use their beaks? That is in page number 32. Birds have different types of beaks depending on the kind of food they eat. They have no teeth. They use their beaks for eating, to pick up things and to feed their young ones. Beaks also protect them from their enemies. Then number 3. How many types of feathers does a bird have? That's here. You will write first, there are 3 types of feathers a bird have. Down feathers, body feathers, flight feathers. No need to explain it. Simply write 3 types and their names. Then come to number 4. What is the special feature of the feet of water birds? That's in page number 35. Feet of ducks and swans you will not write. Instead of ducks and swans you will write water birds. Feet of water birds are joined by a soft and thin skin between the toes. These type of feet are called webbed feet. So the special structure is webbed feet. The toes are connected with the skin, that known as webbed feet. Their webbed feet help them to push water backwards while swimming. Then come to number 5, how do birds fly? That answer, same answer, question number 1 answer is near about same as to question number 5 answer. Then question number 6, why do birds build nests? That in page number 37. Birds build nests to live, lay eggs and raise their babies. Nests save them from their enemies and bad weather. Then number 7, what do you mean by hatching? That's in page number 38. Once the nest is ready, birds lay their eggs in the nest. They sit on the eggs to keep them warm till the young ones come out. This is called hatching. Then write any 3 ways in which we can take care of birds. Question number 8 answer is in page number 39. During very hot summer number 1 point of question number 8 answer. During very hot summer, birds do not find enough food and water for themselves. We can help them by giving them grains and water. Number 2 point, we should place bird baths in a garden, balcony or any open places around us. Number 3 point, birds drink water, bath and cool themselves in these bird baths. Thank you.